how y'all doing? It's time for a little unboxing. Went down to the store a while ago, went down there to the Home Depot. I've been out here, putting up this privacy fence, and had to spray some the other day. Went out and bought some paint, bought a truckload of paint to stain this fence with, and fired up my old air compressor, and I sprayed one panel, and that joker died on me. So had to run down and find another one, and I bought they call it a Husky. It's a little bigger than what I've ever had. Hopefully it's going to do the job. Well, there's the unboxing. I didn't do a whole lot either. Excuse me while I walk around here and take a look. Oh man, there's the directions. We don't need none of them. This is what we need right here, folks. We just need us some pictures. So let's see if I can't get this thing turned around and see if we can figure out how to work this thing. We got it unboxed, and I've rolled it over here. I've already plugged it in, and it's got a little startup guide that says make sure the switch is off, and yeah, it's off over there. It says pull a ring on the side, release the pressure out. There ain't no pressure on it, I just got it out of the box. Turn the knob, yeah, I turned the knob. Attach your air hose. So I got an air hose somewhere. I'll go ahead and plug that air hose in. It says close the drain valve. It's closed. Plug the extension cord in. Well, it said not to use extension cord, so I plugged it right into the wall. That's pretty nice. It's not real loud, and they say that it is a quiet operating model. It says that in the book, like 71 decibels. We're going to let it build up with pressure. We'll come back and see if that thing will blow some air. We'll be back in a minute. I had this thing running. It ran for about 3 minutes, I guess, 3 or 4 minutes to completely fill the tank there with under 75 pounds of air. So, seems to be working good. I like it because it's quiet. I've got the air hose hooked up. It's blowing air. Let me attempt to show you something here. I learned this back when I was in junior high school. Y'all check this out. Ever seen anybody do that with a golf ball? Nothing to it. You learn something new every day over here at Big Al's. I wish I could do that with a pork chop. I think this compressor is gonna work out all right. Make a golf ball float with it. I wonder if I'll be able to paint a fence with it. We shall see. We'll come back tomorrow and get this thing set up, get it ready to put it into service. We're gonna paint us a fence, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching over here at Big Al's. Unboxing of my Husky air compressor. Y'all have a nice day, and we'll see you later. Bon appetit.